welcome back to the channel again, guys. I'll show you in this video how to remove the steering AMG Mercedes AMG steering wheel. So I've taken it off so you get a better idea. Usually you have a hole here and a hole there, but in this case we have a hole here, okay, which is it's at the very bottom of the steering. Long story short, we need a hook like this, probably a bit more bent, and what you need to do is pop it in here. And let me show you from this end as well. So when you pop it in there, these are the clips that need to kind of be pulled down. So once you do, make sure the hook is facing this way inwards. So inside, like that, inside the steering airbag. Not towards the back where the steering angle sensor is, towards the front. So when we put it in, let me just show you. So when we put it in like this, go in this sort of angle and then turn this way, so it's now facing the airbag. And when you have, it's a bit of a tricky one, I'll show you what I mean. So you'll have to be in there. It's really annoying, I have to say. It's a very bad design. And then when you pull, you can see what it's doing. That's it there. You see how I'm pulling it down? There you go. That's how it's done, guys. It's really annoying. Whoever's designed it needs a good education. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Hook, if you ask me, just make sure you've got one that's more of a bend, and then it just hooks into it.